Ayo, what's going on? My name is Ishan. You're probably busy, which is absolutely perfect because on this channel, we like to keep things quick and to the point. So in the next few minutes, we're going to be going over the 5 stocks to buy on the dip. And trust me, these aren't your generic stocks that all these other YouTubers talk about. And the last stock is the special one, which I truly believe is the easiest money one could ever make on a stock. So, time to clock in. Stock number 1 is Elastic NV. Elastic stock, as you can see, has been absolutely killing it. Elastic has products that operate around search engines, but their main product is ELQ Stock, which is a revolutionary, game-changing product that's going to really help businesses of all types down the line. So ELQ Stock is an open source tool that stands for Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana. So I found this chart that might help you visualize how it works. It doesn't flow corresponding to their name, but I guess ELK, it sounds better than LEK. But anyways, Logstash collects and transforms the data. Elasticsearch allows you to search through all that data easily, and Kibana is a tool they have created that allows you to visualize that data by creating all these cool looking charts. This is a super powerful tool because if you think about it, big companies, they have thousands of data, all these logs, different things, and having to go through that either manually or creating your own program takes a lot of time and a lot of money and effort. And with Elasticsearch, it basically automates that entire process and makes it so simple and easy for companies or businesses to just go through all their data with a quick, simple search. With the continuous growth of big data expected to be worth over $100 billion by 2027, Elastic has an insane amount of room to grow. Especially with the introduction of 5G and all the data that's going to be processed down the line, it offers Elastic a huge opportunity to go into that market and just get a ton of new customers. In fact, each quarter they're growing over 50%, which is absolutely insane. As more business processes shift online during the pandemic, they are bound to benefit, and down the line I see this company growing insanely. Stock number 2 is APE Stock. APpian is a revolutionary cloud company changing the game. They offer a low-code automation platform which, to put it simply, lets you create apps and workflows without having to do any code or testing yourself. You literally design your processes and workflows by dragging and dropping different points and items onto a flowchart, and by creating that flowchart, Appian basically takes that entire chart and converts it into actual real code which you can use to create a proper program and utilize for yourself and your company. And look, I can go on and on about how their subscriptions margin was over 90% last quarter, and that they were the leader in Gartner's 2019 Magic Quadrant for Intelligent Business Process Management Suites, which has been going on for the last 9 years. But what really fascinates and excites me for Appian's future growth is that they've become a one-stop shop for automation. In fact, incorporating RPA into their business, which is robotic process automation. Essentially tasks which are highly repetitive, Appian's tool allows you to create bots which automate those tasks and do them automatically. In fact, the global RPA market size is expected to reach USD 10.7 billion by 2027 from 1.1 billion in 2019, which just goes to show the growth potential that Appian has. Stock number 3 is Revolve Group, and this is a company with high growth potential. Currently trading at $15 a share, this is significantly below its $40 IPO price. Revolve is a company that sells clothing online from brands like Nike to luxury brands like Balenciaga. Their main customers are not boomers, but in fact Gen Z and millennials. What makes this company extremely smart is their marketing strategy. They're heavily involved on Instagram with influencers because they understand that, hey, social media, it's the place to go, and it's really worked out well for them. It's a really extremely smart move. While traditional brick and mortars like JCPenney are going bankrupt, a company like Revolve would benefit because the shift to online is only increasing. I say will benefit because right now they aren't, but down the line they will. In fact, Adobe reported that e-com shopping was up 77% year over year. So they will benefit down the line. Especially with the second wave, people are going to continue to shift online. They have over $100 million in cash to weather any storm and only about $213 million in debt. So this is a company with pretty strong financials, which I see has high growth potential down the line. Moving on to stock number 4, and trust me, we're almost at the end of the video to reveal stock number 5, which is the easiest money you can make in your stock career. So stock number 4, it's Datadog. Datadog, you could say, has had quite the run up, like a huge run up close to 150% from its lows. So Datadog is a company that focuses on cloud monitoring tools. Let's put it this way, nowadays companies and businesses have a ton of tools all doing their thing. They also have an insane amount of logs and data. Datadog's monitoring tool basically allows companies and businesses to find bugs and errors in real time. Their monitoring tools allow you to track the performance of different apps and lets you visualize the data with nice looking graphs and charts. With the entire world shifting to using data, Datadog is a tool for the future. As of March 31st, 2020, they had 960 customers with annual recurring revenue of $100,000 or more, and they were even named the leader in 2019 Forrester's Wave Intelligent Application and Service Monitoring Tool for Q2 of 2019. Their revenue for each quarter has been growing at over 80% year over year because this is a company changing the game. We're finally at the last stock, which is, drumroll please, Manchester United stock. That's right, you heard me correct. Manchester United, the soccer team, or for my European friends out there, football. The team, believe it or not, is actually a publicly traded company. The stock, since its IPO way back, has never fell below a market cap of $2 billion and probably never will. While they're not a company that's growing, they're one of the most consistent stocks I've ever seen. Like, just look at the chart. I'm surprised that no one else on YouTube has even talked about the stock, but get in anywhere around $14 to $15 and there's a solid chance that you make some money. I could go on and talk about like all the fundamental stuff, but that's just boring and that would just take up time. Like I promised at the start of the video, we keep it no fluff, no nonsense on this channel, just quick and straight to the point. This is not really a fundamental play, but simply a technical play. Anywhere at $14 to $15 and you're probably going to make a solid chance of money. Just wanted to point out the opportunity. So that caps off the video. Let me know down below what you guys think about the stocks I talked about. Do you plan to buy any? Are there any I might have missed which you guys believe are really good opportunities to buy on the dip? Hopefully I introduced some new stocks which some of you guys might have never heard of. That was the whole point of the video, to bring in stocks that no one talks about on YouTube. Everyone's always talking about the generic Amazon, Facebook, Apple. So let me know what you guys think down below. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We've hit over 400 subscribers, on our way to 1,000. So smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Clocking out for now. Take it easy. Peace.